Let's see how to create a new Gmail account. You just need to come to Google and search for create Gmail account. Here, gonna click this first option, create a Gmail account. Just read the information here. And here, there is the button create an account. I already have a Gmail account, so now I get into this page. I don't want that, all right? So I'll come in a different way. I just come here to a new tab to the right side. The three dots here allows me to select new incognito windows. That way I can just create a new account without signing in to my old one. So I come to Google again and type here create a Gmail account. Here in the first link, again, I go down, create an account. And from here, I can just select create account for personal use or for my business. Here, gonna select for my business, but you can select anything that you want. Personal, for example. So here I'm selecting the first name. Let me just put here smart and devices. Next. In here, just need to select a day, month, and year. Gender, and hit next. There we go. Now the username, I'm gonna select this one and just hit next. And this one is taken already. See here the information. Then you just need to test the one that you want, read the information here if it's taken or not, and try a new one. And there are also some suggestions here. Let me just use 02, hit next. Now I can just create a password here. Let me just insert a password and confirm. There we go. I just hit next. Now I just need to insert a phone number so I can receive the confirmation, okay? There we go. I hit next. And here I have the information that this phone number has been used too many times. So I just need to use a new phone number. So I just insert a new one and hit next. Then I just insert it here. Hit next. And then I just need to select a recover email. Hit next again. And you just confirm the phone number you're using. And I can just skip the rest here. And now I have the information for my new email address and my phone number. And I just hit next to confirm. I come here to agree with the terms. Confirm. And my account is ready. Let me just uncheck this one. I don't want to receive any information here. And I hit not now. And here there is also an option to use Google Workspace. I'll just skip this for now. And I'm good to go. Now I have my email account created and I can just log in with my Gmail account, right? So if I come to gmail.com, I can log in using this one. You see here that I have my Gmail account and I can just come directly to mail and log in from here using this account. There we go. That's my new account. So it's basically working here with my new Gmail. I hope that helps. That's basically the way you can create a new Gmail account. Please leave your thumbs up here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.